planet is currently faced with a devastating problem. Where are we going to find energy in the future, now that our present sources are dwindling rapidly? Nuclear energy is one possible solution. However, many people feel that there are grave dangers inherent in the use of nuclear power. Is nuclear energy the solution to our energy crisis, or a deadly weapon in the hands of greedy businessmen? Do its benefits outweigh its risks, or vice versa? Before weighing its pros and cons and drawing a conclusion to its implications, let us elucidate on what exactly is a nuclear power plant. A nuclear power plant is a thermal power station in which the heat source is a nuclear reactor. In a nuclear power plant, uranium combines with free neutrons and breaks down into lighter elements while releasing incredible heat. This process is called nuclear fission. As in a conventional thermal power station, the heat is used to generate steam, which drives a steam turbine connected to a generator, which produces electricity. Nuclear power is economical. Nuclear power generates less fuel. Other economic advantages of nuclear power is that it costs less to transport its constituents to the site of the plant. We have to gradually supplement nuclear energy with other alternative forms of energy, such as wind, thermal, water, solar, etc., and move ahead. Now, on the contrary, the major problems faced with the initiation of nuclear power plants are disposal of nuclear waste, long-term cancer effects resulting from radiation poisoning, possibility of a meltdown. People's worries mainly center on the possibility of an accident as more nuclear power plants are put into use. People are worried about radiation leakage. The radiation from a nuclear power plant is contained in materials that prevent passage. Even if these materials fail, there are safety systems to prevent leakage and even backup systems on the safety systems. The radioactive wastes are sealed in leak-proof vaults. When transported, they are sealed in accident-proof containers which are able to withstand incredible impact. Today's nuclear power plants are extremely sophisticated with complex energy systems ever designed. As of 16 January 2013, there are 390 nuclear power plants in operation. In spite of the hype revolving around many nations of the world, nuclear energy still stands as a ray of hope, throwing light where other forms of energy are soon diminishing. It has been proven as an alternative to fossil fuels that works even when the sun is not shining and the wind is not blowing, producing 20% of our electricity and 0% of our emissions. So, what are we waiting for? The decision is ours. Do we sit back and just fear the impending disadvantages of nuclear power plants by retrospecting the disasters that took place in Chernobyl, Fukushima, or the 3 Mile Island? Or should we wake up, pick up the cudgels and work towards a nuclear beginning for a safe nuclear world?